I have built something amazing. Here are the pros and cons of this new AI tech. Pros: it makes it super simple to use with Python in one line of code. You have seamless on-off control of the Docker container when it is active, and not unlike Ollama that hugs your GPU all the time, and when you reactivate it, it glitches out, and when you deactivate it, it glitches out. If you have limited GPU power and you need to switch AI models on the fly, this that I built is ideal. One model and you can generate images, have vision and inference in ChatGPT 4.0 level quality. So, well, more like o1, but quite close to o4 if we see the benchmarks. So, cons: you need a GPU like 16 VRAM. You could just install Ollama and deal with the subprocess glitches for activating the service and deactivating it. It essentially does the same thing, and you have more models instead of just Janus. But you won't be able to generate images, which is a big pro of Janus. So you gotta figure that out. So with this package, it is just like Ollama. You just install it, and with a few lines of code, with like one line of code, a method, you can perform inference as long as you have a GPU. And it still has a fast API, it still has Docker, it has it all, it manages it all. And let me stop talking and show it to you guys. So here we go. So the container exists, here are the logs, and we run it. And here we can see that it started. Existing container, it's called Janus API, and that's it. So check the health. Yep, healthy container, healthy, CUDA available, model loaded, everything's okay. So let's perform inference. Yes, it's working. I see completely black image with no visible objects. So that's another pro, that Ollama does have vision, but it cannot generate images. So you have that really big pro with this model. So inference without an image. Here, it's basically the same as Ollama. And that's it, guys. So in 116 lines of code, you can completely turn on, off, health check. So not even 100 lines. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines of code. You have total control over Janus, this cutting edge model by DeepSeek, and it is completely amazing. And in case you guys want to do don't care about image generation for content and stuff like that, then you can go with this. Start NoHub Ollama serve and pkill Ollama. So with this you start it, with this you kill it, because else if you go with the service route, with the sudo system control disable Ollama or system control enable Ollama, you might run into glitches like I did. So I hope this really is useful for you guys, because we really need to generate content and automate our lives right now, because things are getting really tough, and there's not a lot of jobs out there, and crypto is hard, and the market's crashing. So we really need to stick together and figure things out and find good opportunities and work together to benefit the whole community. So I uploaded this package to pip in case you guys want to try it, Janus 321, and it's completely free, open source, for people that really need it. I hope it really helps good people and not bad people. So this is really a learning experience, because the goal is to be able to control, toggle on off multiple AI models that are for generating images, generating video, generating music, and without having trouble while toggling this AI models, because I want to create this agentic content generation workflow, and if you have any technical background, you will know that installing an AI model takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and you will run into the problem that it has dependency hell, dependencies that conflict with each other. That's why you need to put it into a Docker container, else it will fight each other and it won't work. And that's why you need to switch between Docker containers. And that's why I'm building this thing, because there's no other way of having these AI models collaborating agentically with each other to perform a given task. Because else, if you just call an API, if that's your idea, you're basically gonna spend a person's salary on a lot of those APIs. So doing this, you run it locally, you protect your data, and you have total control. And you can basically, like, the sky's the limit. You can make this thing do wonders on your computer without spending a fortune. So that includes training the models, of course. So the reason why I'm building this is because I want to create this YouTube automation, AI automation that creates videos and content and SEO and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, let me please know and share, like, subscribe, so I can keep doing this, guys. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, guys.